Hi, this is my first Linux video, so please be nice. Today I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu Linux. Oops, I dropped the CD. Hang on. Okay, I'll just remove that in the editing. So put your Ubuntu CD in the tray and wait for this to boot. I use a Mac, but my mum says it's the same thing, so you'll be fine as mummy knows everything. So you click on the Install Ubuntu button. I forgot to show you how to burn the CD. I'll add that in post too. Set up your keyboard. Oh no! Daddy said he will ground me if I install Ubuntu again. Let me show you how to install something else before he finds out. Right, this is my Qtile Gentoo Rice, and it was really easy to install if you just follow this guide. Don't be noobs all your lives and instead install Gentoo today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video if you found it helpful. Also, do anyone know how to install Movie Maker in Gentoo? I'll let you slide into my DMs if you do, hee. Daddy said I had to read out his patterns for being a naughty girl and installing Ubuntu. Hoo. Damien Dudix, Snail, Stone Cold Steve Austin, oh, no, just Austin. Ron Weidler. And these are the people Daddy says he loves more than Mummy. Sylvia. GK Sudo. Please do support him on Patreon, as it's the only time Daddy feeds me.